Good morning guys. See, I am here now in Achman. I learned a lot from my instructor, Miss Nora Manligis, the Melta Papin of UAE. As you can see now, I'm very comfortable with my driving, unlike before. Now I learned how to look at my mirrors, my left, center, and side mirrors. And aside from that, I learned a lot of tips, especially when doing the parking, exiting the parking in actual. So I'm doing that parking a while ago with the actual cars behind me, around me. Doesn't matter because my instructor is very good. So I recommend Miss Nora Manligis from Achman, the best instructor.